Exercise 27. In the program above, write code to replace English with rocket science. Your code should still work regardless of the position hint of English in the list. Then print the new list. The program above, of course, is exercise 26. Let's copy that. Okay, so exercise 26 instructed us to type English as one of the subjects when we run this program. Then now we're supposed to replace English with rocket science. So first of all, we should find out the position of English. So subject index equals list of subjects dot index of English. Okay. Then list of subjects subject index equals, this is where we're replacing now, rocket science. So here on line 9 we find out the position of English, then we put rocket science in that position. Okay, that's basically it. So let's try it out. So if we run that, how many subjects? 3. Let me move this up a bit. Subject name, another one English, and another one physics. Okay, and there it is. So we entered these 3 subjects. The second subject was English, but here in our final list it has been replaced by rocket science. We can make it more obvious by printing the before and after. Okay, so let's do that again. How many subjects? 4. Subject name, okay, so here we are. Before we had physics, chemistry, English, biology, just in the same order we had entered it here. And then after we have physics, chemistry, rocket science and biology. So English here, the third subject, has been replaced by rocket science. Alright, thank you for watching. Please sign up for our one-on-one Python lessons at ondevs.com. See you in the next lesson.